Yo, you see, as a youth, me used to feel say a man act like she water them alone a fish. But me grew up and me realize say, yo, the biggest set of fish them in a real terrated. And the man them go on like them my toughest thing. Biggest set of gangster them have the biggest gun pan their waist. If a simple name catches argument come up around them, you see how they get defensive and go on like them my toughest thing. Yo, move for me, say dog. Man a bad man. Man a run certain joke. But behind closed door, man a call them baby. And that's why I always tell man, you know, dog. I don't know if you for your next man, because you don't know your next man at the behind closed door. Right now, enough of them youth want to see a drive the biggest car and live in a biggest house and claim say them a chopper, a man a chat them. That's why me no bad mind no man for nothing what they have and me no pray when a next man have. Because enough of them have it and they uncomfortable. Because they can't sit down good and they can't walk straight. Yo, me see enough of them youth get up every day and talk about girl a gold digger and girl love money man. But who love money man more than some of you? You ever see you act round man money? Then say when girls see money man, they front jump. But it come like say when some of you boys see money man, on body clap. A woman, you know a man for years, you know, I never like him. As soon as he start make money, you she talk about how long time she like him and how boy cute, all and boy ugly like a monkey. But I just saw man stay, I hear she say, oh, you carry nice, do it, two would look good in it together. That is a gold digger woman. But you wanna know how on a gold digger boy love like sound. Yo dog, you know see a long time me rate dog and me as I tell people say me rate. But true you and such man them used to par on me and them man and a friend dog, that's why I never even used to hear the dog. But dog, me a real G dog and you a real G, so me and you for your par dog. One day in the man if you just make me a roll out in a car man for a girl see car then wet up. The whole time when I him wet up because I'm frightened for man and I'm frightened for man things. A girl mentality that. And whether I know admit it or not, a man no found love. As far as I see it, someone who don't even like money, man. Someone just there with girl, someone can get accepted by our friends. But in a real life, our friend no love. So most of the things they want to do are just to get validation for our friends and get ratings for our friends. No found we go free go and girl right now. And the whole time, we no free girl, we don't even enjoy. All you know want to do, I just done so you can run go tell your friends, say, yo dog, you know some get some catches. So your friend can say, yeah man dog, you know someone rate them man. Somehow every girl on a friend frig gonna want a frig. Like on just want to feel close to a friend. A funny man mentality them the dog. Like on a friend on want a frig. But you know so on a friend good in the depan on the depan. On just frig the girl on a friend frig. So on can go back go talk to a friend about it and feel close to a friend. Too much girl in the world for me and my friend if you frig the same girl. If me a frig one girl, one the girlfriend, one the girl cousin, one the girl sister, one the girl auntie, one the girl mother. Why me and you have to freak the same girl? As I said before, I know some homo thugs.